Students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Students, open your read now book, page number 26. Can you tell and try short it over here? CW 22, 7 and 20. Okay students, first question is name two creatures which move swiftly mean fastly. So that is kangaroo and deer, and there are other animals also, but we will write two creatures only here. So name two creatures which move slowly. So that is garden snail, giant tortoise. Which of these are good traits? Traits mean qualities, and which are bad traits? So you can see these words, okay students, and we have to separate the good qualities from these words and the bad qualities. Okay, so we will write B with bad and G with good. So let's explain. First of all, I will explain it. Okay students, I separated bad qualities and bad and good separate. Okay, so I will tell you the meaning of rude. Rude means students ill mannered, and polite mean well mannered. Rough mean uneven surface, not smooth, and gentle mean having a kind temperament. Students, noisy mean making a lot of noise, and quiet mean making no noise. Okay, so rowdy mean noisy and disorderly, and mannerly mean well mannered and polite. So these are good and these are bad. Okay students, these are good and these are bad traits. Okay students, this is the next question. We say son and daughter. Complete the following. You can see here son and daughter. This son is he and daughter is she, so it means this is masculine and feminine. Students, I already explained you about masculine he and feminine she. So students, I am repeating again. So masculine nouns are words for men, boys and male animals. Okay, so it shows he. And feminine she. Feminine nouns are words for women, girls and female animals. Okay students, these are this side masculine, and here we will write the feminines. So father, this is he, and here we will write she. You can say, okay, masculine and feminine. Father and mother, brother and sister, boy and girl, husband and wife, uncle and aunt, nephew and niece. The rabbit's home is in a burrow. Name any other animals which live in the ground. So mouse, snake and worm. In which of these sentences did the boy run very quickly? The boy ran like a deer. The boy ran like a snail. The boy ran like lightning. The boy ran like a tortoise. Students, you can see the speed of deer is fast, so we will take it. The speed of snail is very slow, and the lightning. Okay, you can see the lightning in the sky. Lightning in the sky when there is storm. So its speed is also very fast, so we will tick A and C part. The boy ran like a tortoise is very slow, so the boy ran like a shot from a gun. Yes, this is also speedy. The boy ran like an elephant. Elephant is very slow. The boy ran like the wind. Wind sometimes slow, sometimes fast. So leave it. Okay, name any creatures which have long legs. Giraffe. Name any creatures which have short legs. Bee and fly. Explain the meaning of each of these words. Students, you can see all of these words, when we speak them, they all give us the same sound. Okay, but they have the different spelling and different meanings. Hair, tail, right, sail, weak and weak. So hair mean rabbit, and hair mean the fibers on the skin. Tail mean parts of body like monkey and other animals. Tail means story. Right mean correct, opposite of left, and right as you write on your notebooks. So to form words on a surface. Sail mean less price of all goods, and sail mean SAIL, sail mean boat. Week means 7 days, and this week mean WEAK, week mean lean or unhealthy person. Okay students, learn and write this exercise on book, and then I will take your test. So take care.